Hi, my name's Tyler, and I'm an instructor here at CodeWizardsHQ. The most rewarding part of my job is seeing an inspired student at work. A lot of our lessons and programs we learn are unique to one another, and different programs will inspire different students. And seeing a student brighten up and feel inspired, do some work, and be proud of that work is a very rewarding experience. And no matter how big of a part I played, it's always nice to see. Now, if I could have any one teacher superpower, that would have to be the ability to know exactly what is confusing a student. If I had that superpower, I would be an unstoppable teacher.